Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to talk about the top best masticating juicer under $200 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Most people believe juicers to be good to have in kitchen but don't consider them to be necessary. It's because a person can just go to a store and purchase a juice in his preferred flavor. Masticating juicer, on the other hand, are a must-have kitchen device for individuals who don't want to spend money on something that can simply create at home for a minimal cost. Masticating juicer press and crush fruit and vegetable to extract every last drop of juice. As a result, we have compiled a list of the top 3 best masticating juicer under $200. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and listed them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3. SKG Q8 Wide, a much less priced version of the SKG A10. SKG Q8 Wide comes with a beautiful red exterior body that will look sexy in your kitchen. The most important and unique feature of SKG Q8 Wide is its double hooper system. The SKG Q8 comes with 2 hoopers for thin and long veggies and fruit. It has a 1.75 inches hooper over feed shoot and 3.15 inches hooper for big ingredients. For having a good experience with SKG Q8 Wide, you must be good at washing things with your hands because it is no dishwasher safe. The running speed of SKG Q8 Wide is 45 RPM and it extracts juice in high quantity with high nutrition retention. Pros of SKG Q8 Wide: it is budget friendly, less noise, modern design. Cons of SKG Q8 Wide: not good for dishwasher. On number 2. Aobosi Slow Masticating. Aobosi Slow Masticating is an easy-to-use juicer that is preferred feature for beginner as it costs by less amount. It's a good option for you if you are looking for a budget-friendly juicer that will give you cold pressed juice. One of the problems with the juicer is their excessive noise that not only bother you but you can also be irritating for people in your surrounding. But Aobosi Slow Masticating is quite juicer that operates under 60 decibels. It's a family-friendly juicer as well, as it has a narrow chute that prevents the small hand from going into juicer. Pros of Aobosi Slow Masticating: it's quiet, easy cleaning, family-friendly. Cons of Aobosi Slow Masticating: chute is bit small. On number 1. Koios Juicer. Koios is a masticating juicer that performs well in both extraction of juice and retention of nutrients. Koios runs at 80 RPM and it extracts juice can last up to 3 days. As already mentioned, one of the problems with the juicer is their excessive noise. But Koios Juicer is quiet with less than 60 decibels, which means it won't disturb other people in a home while juicing. Yes, you can arch with its body shape, which is not that classy, but it is still worth buying the product. Koios Juicer is now dishwasher safe, but it only takes you a few minutes for cleaning. Pros of Koios Juicer: it's quiet, good juice extraction and nutrient retention, and budget friendly. Cons of Koios Juicer: not good with dishwasher and not handle at all. So guys, this was the video about the best masticating juicer under $200. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.